not. Hey guys, welcome back to SemperFi Mechanic. My name's Thomas, and today's video, we're back to delivering diesel. Just picked up a new contract. This is our first day. We're running up to it. We're gonna be delivering 100 gallons to a generator. It's about a half-hour drive. Stay tuned. I'll let you guys ride along with me. Well, this is what sucks with half the traveling. There's construction every day all through Columbus. I'm only driving 6 miles, but it's gonna take me 32 minutes to get there. And when you think it couldn't get any worse, check it out. I am on the highway, and I'm driving 10 miles an hour. I mean, seeing how I'm not driving anywhere, might as well catch up a little bit. So how's everybody doing today? Everybody doing good physically? Everybody doing good mentally? It's good to hear. Me and my wife and kids just got back from Great Wolf Lodge, which is near Cincinnati, Ohio, the one we went to. And it's a huge indoor water park. Stayed one night, but 2 days. They got a lazy river, they got a wave pool, bunch of slides. But I tell you what, and you had to go up 400 stairs to get there. And I could tell, like, me and the other dad, especially the fat dads like me, we was just looking at each other like. And then, as you're checking out, you know, you got these carts that you're pushing with everything on it. And I didn't see one woman pushing a cart. All I seen was a bunch of fucking middle-aged men out there pushing the cart with the fucking bags falling off it. One guy's shit fell all over the road. He just looks down at it and looks up at the sky like asking God why. So as I was laughing, here comes my wife and she's like, "Oh, the bags are ready. Here you go." So then my fat ass had to go right down there beside him, fucking pushing my little cart along. And there's just this silence. You don't even have to say nothing to the other men. You just look at each other, you give that little nod like, "Oh, you too?" That's what I'm dealing with. And my eyes are bloodshot from the chlorine in the water. I do not do drugs. All right, well, we gotta stop.
Take the next right onto Old Worthington Court. Then your destination will be on the left.
Shut up, maps. I gotta figure it out from here. All right, so let's climb our big ass up in here. Good thing about that is I like these little steps right here. At least that helps my fat ass for getting up here. Ain't seen you in a while, have we, old tank? Haven't seen you in a while, buddy. Let's see, there we go. Alright, clicked off at 34.9. I paid $149 because I knew it would kick off at 35 gallons. So we already had some in there, so I took it to 3/4 of a tank right there. Run back inside here now. Get that last 10 gallons or so. Whoa, Jesus. Wouldn't that have been horrible if I'd have fell off that thing? Alright, here we are. It's back here hidden. There she be right there in all her glory. So we'll back up into that. We'll get started here and pop our hood. Beautiful thing here. Diesel fuel only. Internal fuel tank behind this door. Oh my lord. Well, that is very loud, guys. I'm not sure. I might have to mute this. You guys won't be able to hear anything. Just shut that for a second. The thing is super loud while it's on. I gotta leave it on while I refuel it because they're using it, so it's gonna be great. Took the pump up, knock this out, right? There we go. We're gonna run our cables to right here. Just like we used to, friends, like we used to. New truck with the same routine. So nothing's gonna change here. We're gonna lift this bad boy up. Let's get this hose out of here. How much hose do we need? That is the question. So. Oh, God. I don't know if I should post this or not. Just took a tumble, son. Moving this hose, I tripped over this and landed flat right there. Oh, God. Nobody seen me. I could have died right there. What's the world coming to? So here's our wires. Gotta run this to the battery. Set them right through there. They barely make them long enough. I mean, it's like right to the edge, boys. Pop our negative in here. Go ahead and grab our positive. Let's see if I can grip on anything there. Yeah, look how tight that is. Yes, I know. It should be running it. Have a little toggle switch and all that. Yes, I know. Start it here. Hit the power button. It's going to be hard to hear me because of all this noise, but we're just filling it up here. And we're going to use this ruler to measure to see how much fuel we have in the tank. Now that we're done, go ahead and put this cap back on, lock it in place. We've already turned this off. We've already unplugged from here. What I was saying, where you could barely hear me, was that ruler, if you take it all the way down, it's 24 inches. This doesn't have a fuel gauge. A lot of times you got to use them rulers, or the fuel gauges are inaccurate, so we always use a ruler. Put the ruler all the way down and went to 24 inches. Well, you got to measure that neck. That neck's 8 inches. So 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, right? At the top there would be about 16 inches to be all the way full. Well, if we looked where ours went up to 17. So that means we've topped it all the way off. So if we come back tomorrow and we check it and it's at 8 inches, then we know that would be halfway done. Charge the $150 delivery fee. We also make 50 cents per gallon pump. So if we pumped 100 gallons, it means we made $50 on top of that. It's $4 a gallon, but we charge them $4.50 per gallon. Total time from the time we left our house till we're back home was 3 hours. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Our goal is to hit 15,000 subscribers by June, so please subscribe. It's completely free. If you don't, I still love you. And like we always say, Semper Fi. Till next time.